Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download entire Google Drive. All right. Basically everything within your Google Drive. Well, the way to do that is just go ahead and open up a new tab. Now type in takeout.google.com. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. Again, takeout.google.com. Now, as you can see here, I've made a request, which is not long ago. All right, basically just this date. All right, so to download your entire Google Drive, just go ahead and click on deselect all. Okay, now go ahead and scroll down until you find a Google Drive, which is about right here. Okay, click on the tick box. Now click on all drive data included. Now make sure that you select this particular tick box. All right, this will include all files and folders in Drive. All right. Basically all of these. Now just hit on OK. Now go ahead and scroll down all the way down and click on next step. In here, it says transfer to. Click on it and you'll have plenty of options. All right. You can add it to your OneDrive or add to Box or Dropbox. So I wanted to have a copy of it to save it on my desktop or my computer. I'm just going to select send download link via email right here and export once. Okay, now the file type, just keep it as is, but if you want to, you can go ahead and use TGZ. Now, the file size right here, if you don't know what it means exports larger than the size will be split into multiple files. So basically, if you have 10 gigabytes of files on your Google Drive, it will have 5 different zip files. Okay, so if you want it to be in bulk or in one zip file, just go ahead and select 50 or 10 right here. So I'm just going to click on this one. All right. And just hit on create export. So it says here, this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You'll receive an email when your export is done. So basically just wait for an email from Google itself. Check out your Gmail and you should receive a similar email like this. All right. So basically just click on download your files. And here's the download page. All right, just click on download right here. And there should be a download page that will pop up right here. Just save it wherever you want. Right here, as you can see, the file name is takeout and the date today and some random values. Just hit on save and the download progress will begin. And as you can see here, I've done it a few hours ago and it's done right here. Here we have the files and folders of our Google Drive. If you want to, you can go ahead and double click on it just to check it out right here. That's about it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.